So, you want to get the most out of Audacity. Your audio currently sounds like this. Dom smells like ripe farts. But you want it to sound like this. Dom smells like ripe farts. How do you get there? Well, thankfully you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get the highest quality sound out of Audacity in 2020. So, step number 1. You have your recording in your timeline. You want to find a blank space in the timeline and highlight it. Then you want to go to Effect. You want to go down to Noise Reduction. And then you want to Get Noise Profile. This is so whatever background noise is going on in your place of recording goes away. It's not going to be there anymore. It's not invited. Then you want to delete that space. Click off to the side again to highlight the rest of the track. Go to Effect, Noise Reduction again. Copy down these settings, click OK. Go back to Effect, Compressor. Copy down these settings again. Click OK. Go back to Effect. You want to find Filter Curve. If you want to increase or decrease the bass in your recording, you would adjust that here using this little dot right here. And then you click OK. And then we want to go to Normalize. Click Normalize. Copy down these settings again. Press OK. We want to go to Effect. Come down here to Limiter. Once more, copy down these settings. Select OK. We're going to go to Effect again. We're going to find Normalize. We're going to click OK. And now you have a professional sounding recording, all within Audacity. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If it helped you at all, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech-related reaction videos, commentary videos, gaming videos, whatever. And thanks, guys. As always, enjoy your day, and I don't smell right, unlike that recording. Thank you, guys.